Hey guys, today I'm with our new 2026 Corvette Stingray, and we're going to show you how to turn off that annoying lane keep assist feature, which is that little icon right there. Basically what that does, it keeps you in lane. And there's a camera in front of your rear view mirror that monitors the lanes, and if you're veering a little left or right of the lines on the street, it will pull you in, which is very annoying as you're driving. So a lot of us want to turn that darn feature off. To do so is very easy. All you got to do is, on a 26s, obviously there's a little auxiliary screen. Here, as you can see, there's a little icon right over here. All you got to do is press that icon, turn off lane keep assist, confirm, bam, all done. Right there it is. Turn it back on. All you got to do is just go right back in here. If you want to turn it back on, press that button again, and it's right back on. That's all there is to it. Now that feature does turn on. I think you have to be over 31 miles an hour, otherwise it's disabled. So regardless, it's still annoying.